Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this flight from Ibiza to Manchester. I am your captain on this flight. My name is Jorge Fantastico, and I would just like to inform you that I am a party animal. I have been dancing trance and I have been raving all night, you know, and it's like for trying heroin, speed, methamphetamine, crack, heroin, mushrooms, magic mushrooms. I have smoked the hashish, I have the pot, the weed, the smoke of Indonesia, MDMA, ecstasy. I've taken strong ecstasy, Holland ecstasy. And I would like to go from Spain, and I would like to, yeah, look at this, listen to this. I like to play my very, very small banjo on this plane from Ibiza to Manchester.